from dried persimmons, ginger, and cinnamon. The beverage has a sweet and spicy taste and is often served as a dessert. Pyongyang-style cold noodles, also known as mulnaengmyeon, is a popular dish in North Korea that is particularly popular during the summer months when the weather is hot and humid. Pyongyang-style cold noodles, also known as mulnaengmyeon, is a popular dish in North Korea that is particularly popular during the summer months when the weather is hot and humid. The dish consists of a bowl of cold buckwheat noodles that are served in a tangy broth made from beef, chicken, or dongchimi, a type of water kimchi made from radishes. The noodles are typically served with a variety of toppings, including sliced beef, boiled egg, cucumber, and pear. The broth is seasoned with vinegar, mustard, and sesame oil, giving it a tangy and slightly sweet flavor that complements the cold noodles perfectly. Pyongyang-style cold noodles are a refreshing and light dish that is perfect for hot summer days. The cold noodles provide a refreshing contrast to the tangy broth, while the combination of beef, egg, and vegetables add depth and texture to the dish. In North Korea, Pyongyang-style cold noodles is considered a specialty dish and is often served in restaurants and food stands throughout the country. In North Korea, Pyongyang-style cold noodles is considered a specialty dish and is often served in restaurants and food stands throughout the country. The dish is also a popular street food and is often sold by vendors in busy markets and shopping districts. Pyongyang-style cold noodles is not only a delicious dish, but it is also an important part of North Korean culinary culture. The dish is believed to have originated in Pyongyang, the capital city of North Korea, and has since become a beloved and iconic dish throughout the country. Overall, Pyongyang-style cold noodles is a refreshing and flavorful dish that is an important part of North Korean culinary tradition. Whether enjoyed as a main course or as a refreshing snack on a hot summer day, this dish is sure to delight and satisfy anyone who tries it. Pheasant soup is a traditional North Korean dish that is typically served during special occasions or celebrations. The soup is made from pheasant meat, various vegetables, and a flavorful broth. To make pheasant soup, the pheasant is first prepared by removing the feathers and internal organs. The meat is then chopped into small pieces and cooked in a large pot with water and various herbs and spices, such as garlic, ginger, and scallions. The meat is then chopped into small pieces and cooked in a large pot with water and various herbs and spices, such as garlic, ginger, and scallions. The broth is simmered for several hours until the meat is tender and falls off the bone. Once the meat is cooked, it is removed from the pot and set aside. The broth is then strained to remove any bits of bone or gristle and returned to the pot. A variety of vegetables, such as carrots, onions, and mushrooms, are added to the broth and cooked until they are tender. The cooked pheasant meat is then added back to the pot, along with additional herbs and spices, such as salt and pepper. The soup is simmered for an additional 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together.